So first thing we want to do, disable traction and stability control. The car's already warmed up pretty well. It is a little bit challenging sliding around in the wet. It is a little bit more challenging drifting in the wet. Your snap oversteer and number of spinouts usually increases, but we'll do our best to control everything today. Nice. We've already been doing this for about an hour and a half, so we're pretty nauseous at this point, but yes, we are. That's okay. There's a spin, too much handbrake.
Are we doing a lap or are we staying in here?
I think we'll do a little lap.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah, I'm gonna get my bearings again in here, and then we'll go out and feel out a drift lap, see what it's like. Grippy sometimes.
Yeah.
Think I have the bravery to drift the whole track yet, especially with how close some of the walls are here.
Yeah, it's a tight track.
It is. But we'll do this corner. I'm gonna try that again. Actually, that's a tough one.
Yeah.
Sideways entry here. Too much. Okay, sloppy, but we'll call it a win.
Yeah. We're still facing the right way.
Yeah. Kind of fun.
Yeah. Third gear.
Yeah.
Beautiful. That one didn't even make me nauseous.
Yeah, that was good. I like that. It's a good corner. Pro would tie those together, but I am no pro.
Yes, you are. You are a pro.
A pro/braver soul. Blech. Ran out of gear there. That scares me.
With the wall right there?
Yeah, it's a little close for comfort. do it. Better.
Better.
Not bad. If you want to put it on easy mode, you get a set of winter tires and slide around on those.
In the dry.
In the dry or wet. The wet winter tires are super predictable. Not as snappy as these all seasons. All right. We're gonna go be stationary for just a minute.
We're gonna go be sick, and then we'll get back to it.
Regain our bearings. But after one good drift. We'll call that a win. Okay. Whew. Fresh air, fresh air.
Yeah.
Smells like tire smoke.
Yeah.
And the primacies haven't worn down at all. I swear, when did we get here, Chris?
2 hours ago?
Yeah, about 2 hours ago. And we've been drifting this for most of that time. Yeah. Pretty fun though. Goes to show you can just slide around in your BRZ GR86 pretty much all day long, especially in the wet. Have a good time. And it'll hold up beautifully. Yeah, anyway, quick video for you guys. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.